Welcome to the Enduring Wealth Learning Platform for Entrepreneurs. Are you already managing your business, your own? Or are you about to board a train called entrepreneurship, which you expect will take you on a journey to a place called the better life? My name is Mopileola Amusu, and I would love to be your guide, your entrepreneurial coach. After 18 years as a banker and 11 years as a food service entrepreneur, I have spent the last 10 years as an entrepreneurial coach. I am passionate about helping startups, micro and small businesses to develop their entrepreneurial muscles to create, sustain, and grow businesses that provide products and services to amaze customers, generate wealth, and impact on the lives of real people. My job is to take your hand, and together we will navigate the murky waters of entrepreneurship and outsmart the challenges and potential frustrations of the marketplace. How will we do this? By learning. Because knowledge empowers. Entrepreneurs are humble learners. They read books, they read blogs, they take courses, they attend seminars and workshops and webinars, and they are always upgrading their skills. That is what entrepreneurs do. So, if you want to be successful at entrepreneurship, you need to learn. That is what entrepreneurs do. But most importantly, they take corresponding action consistently. They practice the things that they learn. Do you want to improve upon your business management skills? Tap on the subscribe button below so that you do not miss any of my instructional videos. I run capacity building workshops every Tuesday. I write blogs every week, providing you with business management tips. This is what I do, but this is what we can do together. Do not forget, subscribe to this channel. If you like the instruction you receive every time, like it by tapping the like button, and be sure to pass this video on to share it with at least 5 persons you know should see this, watch this video. All my offerings are the linked below. Tap on that link. You will find things that you would be amazed to learn. Thank you for your time. The next series of videos is a short course titled Put First Things First. It addresses 5 foundational issues, the things you need to settle in your heart and in your mind before you start your journey of managing a business venture. These issues are: 1. Having a clear sense of your identity, your values, because who you are determines what you can achieve. 2. Discovering your purpose, the reason for your being, the problems you were created to solve, the things that cause you pain that you want to make better. 3. Finding viable solutions to those problems, turning your passion into action. 4. Seeking out your buyers, the people who need what you offer, whether it's a product or a service, those who will value your solution enough to be willing to pay for it. 5. Selling the solution. How do you convince consumers to buy your own solution when the marketplace is full of so many options? The pattern where the spiritual controls and governs the natural begins with light. When God created the earth and said, "Let there be light," He set the pattern which works with everyone with a vision to create. The first resource required for wealth generation is light. Knowledge of self, of purpose, knowledge of the solution to prefer, of the persons who will buy the solution, and of how to sell it to them consistently. Entrepreneurship is not only about solving problems. To generate wealth, you will be required to turn that solution, that business idea, into an income-generating, profit-making, and investable enterprise. All creation started with a thought in the Creator's mind. This is the same pattern set for those willing to be co-creators with God. What does light do? Light dispels darkness. It separates day and night. According to God's word, light shines to enable you observe to do and to make your way prosperous. When light is shined into any space, it reveals what was previously unseen. When an entrepreneur's heart and mind receive relevant knowledge, light, he allows himself to dream, to envision things in the unseen world and bring them into the physical. It always starts with an idea. This is what generates and multiplies wealth. Seeing clearly enough to create problem-solving products and services which customers are willing to purchase continuously. The one in the dark is caged. By light, he is free to move at will. Light is the key which opens locked doors to many opportunities, even for generating enduring wealth, the kind that is transgenerational, the kind that settles every argument, that breaks the back of poverty. It is light that distinguishes one season from another. In harsh environments where doing business is challenging, the businesses that thrive are distinguished by what their operators know. These are moved from a season of lack to one of plenty simply by acting upon the things that their search reveals by light. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is in what you do not know. The difference between what you earn now and what you want your business to turn over is what you do not yet know. Therefore, get knowledge. Be enlightened. All creation starts with a thought, something you discover that you previously did not know. Your mind is lit up. Your heart is full. Welcome back. It's amazing to recognize how powerful knowledge can be. A quick recap of 3 advantages of knowledge. 1. It dispels darkness, makes it easy to not only observe the problem critically, but also to see clearly enough to create an appropriate solution, one that fits. 2. Light is the key. It opens doors and gives you freedom to move at will. 3. Light determines your seasons. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is what you do not know. Get knowledge. So, what specific knowledge did you gain from this video? Type it in the comment section below. Let me know about your experience, how the things you came to know changed the game for your business. The link to all my offerings are below. Tap on it. Join the Enduring Wealth family. Visit my online portal to view more course titles. Entrepreneurs are learners. They do something every day to move them toward goal achievement and business success. There are no shortcuts. Do not forget, subscribe to this channel. If you liked the instruction, tap the like button and share this video with 5 contacts you know need to hear it too. I will see you next session when we will be discussing finding yourself. Thank you for your time.